Good. How are you?
I'm really excited to look at these new books. Like this one. Sabrina Sue Loves the Sky.
Oh, here's a fun crafting one. We have cardboard creations for kids.
Fun. I have a question.
Oh, we have a movie. We have Baron Munchausen.
Ooh,
A re-release, I think.
yes. Daniel goes on an egg hunt.
Ooh, 1 leaf, 2 leaves. Count with me.
You gotta meet Mr. Pierce, the storied life of folk artist Elijah Pierce.
Oh, and we have plenty of sports folks here. Kelly Cordra,
Cooper Cup.
Eileen Gu. I'm reading these upside down, which is not the most easy thing. Vladimir Guerrero Jr., as well as
Jay Moritz.
and Chloe Kim.
Cool.
So a little bit of everybody in our sports.
Sanctuary, a home for rescued farm animals.
Space junk.
All the beating hearts.
Oh, this is adorable. We have adorable animals.
The very best hug.
We have Dorothy White.
Nell plants a tree.
Everyone loves lunchtime, but Zia.
Welcome to the world.
Okay, we have some who is. We have LeBron James and John McCain.
Sleepy sheepy.
Oh, we have animal doctors. More National Geographic.
That flag.
And Finding Papa.
The green piano.
Oh, Once Upon a Book.
A new poetry book. We've got Poetry Month next month. Well, next month. Tales of Whimsy, Verses of Woe.
Ooh, Just the Right Cake.
The Carrefour Curse.
Ooh. Oh, more biographies. We have Freddie Mercury and Shakira.
Not So Common Sense.
When a Friend Needs a Friend.
Chicken karaoke.
All right, we have Good Night Body, Finding Calm from Head to Toe. This is what we need.
Ooh, Platanos go with everything.
Yay. Oh, we're back in outer space with Visiting Space.
Where We Live, mapping neighborhoods of kids around the globe.
Ooh, Jump In, which looks like jump rope,
Ooh,
or
fun.
double dash.
And our boxes are empty.
Yay.
See you next time.